Peace, peace. What's going on with your good people? You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrench Turner for what is 2021. So first and foremost, I'd like to say Happy New Year to everybody that's watching my channel or anybody that watches my channel. Big shout out to the Turner team. I'm glad that we all have made it into 2021 with no issues. All right, let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like now. It's C4,
baby.
it's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
So, with all this stimulus talk and everybody talking stimulus this, stimulus that, my question to you, being a bike owner, being a car owner, being a RC car owner, you know what I'm saying? What is it that you feel as if you need? You know what I mean? It could be a car part, it could be a bike part, a muffler, whatever, clutches, whatever. What is it that you feel like you need that, the little $600 or whatever, it could take something away from you? You know what I'm saying? Like this one thing like you've been waiting on and say it, I ain't gonna get it this time right here. I'm gonna put a little bit aside, and then once I put a little bit more aside, I'm gonna go ahead and get it, so then I ain't gotta break the bank and I can do it within my budget. You know what I mean? Like it's just it's different, man. You know what I mean? When people have money that they normally don't have. I had a conversation with my homeboy, and this is what brought this video about. And I know you're watching this too, bro. It's just about having a different set of money that isn't particularly in the budget type. You feel what I'm saying? Because a lot of us didn't stop working. When the pandemic hit and whatnot, a lot of us didn't stop working. Like myself, I didn't stop working. I continue accepting new clients and everything. So it's different, man. It's really different, when you know that you're going to be getting something that you normally don't get, even though you still got your regular residual income. So that's what this video is about, man. Like if you watch this video, to the 2 or 3 people that watch my channel, you know what I mean? If you got this money or you getting this money, what are you doing? You know what I mean? And how is this money going to impact you to the point that, you can get some new parts, or you can get some new tires, or you can, get new anything for your bike, car, whatever, And another thing for 2021, right? I'm not going to stop talking about the things that I'm talking about, because just the other day, all right, I'm not going to dig deep into this, because I could have a real in-depth conversation about this right here. But it's just like, people want to be entertained, right? And people feel like when you're not entertaining them, or you're not doing what they feel like you're supposed to do, it's just like they feel like they should 86 you. Newsflash. Change is imminent. Change happens every day. Every time you go spend money, every time you go and put on new clothes for the day, change happens every single day. So because I'm not doing what you feel like I should do to entertain you, that does not mean that I am failing doing something else. You know what I mean? And we as black people need to stop treating people like that, because anybody, no matter what they're good at, I know for a fact I'm good at music, and I know many of you could probably comment down, well, I know, bro, you need to put out some new music. It's not about that. When you have been doing things for so long, you need new challenges, man. And I don't think a lot of you guys understand that. I need new challenges. So I went looking for new challenges. So don't come off to me crazily because I went off looking for new challenges. All right? You, anybody else in this world, man, like, you're not supposed to be doing the same thing all the time for mad long. No, you're not. If you are, that's a job. And you should be compensated. Quite handsomely, might I add. You know what I mean? Like, the days of old are gone. Like, we're not living in our parents' age where, you know, they work at a job for 20, 30 years. And, nah, man, people want to do different things. Like, and I was one of those people. I couldn't see me working at no job for 20, 30 years. Nah, not happening. I want to own my own. I want to have something that is mine. Because just like my pops and my granddad told me, we free. As Haitians, we free. So this is why I've always lived my life how I've lived my life. And it may have been different than a lot of people, but from the dribble, I knew that I was free. I knew that I was supposed to be out here conducting myself with slave mentalities and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But yo, that's the end of my video. Yeah, I know I don't be liking to start monologuing and all that good stuff. But until next time, man, I hope your day has been good. I hope your new year has started off right. And this is how I start off the new year, right? New positive video. Hey, man, I'll talk to you guys real soon. Make sure you go visit VarsonBridges.com. Make sure you stop by and stay fly. Get you some good merch, man. We about to have some deals going on. And the new lotion will be dropping March 22nd. Until next time, remember, somebody loves you. Keep your head to the sky. Stay positive. Peace.